Hi everyone, welcome to the lab. This is a quick follow-up to my previous video in which I showed how I made a memory module for a Fluke 199C scope meter. In the process, I had to take apart the original Fluke memory module to trace the board and to read flash chips, and by the end of that video I had a working clone, but the original memory module was left in pieces. Now let's put it back together, and for that I need to reball the original chips first. Let's go! I'm going to use this jig to hold the chips. I don't have an experience reballing yet, so I decided to try on a similar chip first. I desoldered from a scrap board. First we need to clean the pads. And this time just a little bit of flux, otherwise the balls can float away. Removing the excess. I am going to use these balls. Now position the balls. Sometimes they stick to the tweezers, so I help with a toothpick. And now let's melt the balls. Here is the result. And here we have all 4 original chips from the Fluke module done the same way. Now a slightly tricky part to position the chips, because there is no outline on the silk screen, so I started using these pieces of Kapton tape as guidelines, but then I realized I could enable guidelines in the camera, so I could position a few horizontal and vertical lines anywhere, and that's what I'm using now, but they don't show up on the captured photo. Now it's time to solder. Hopefully we should be able to see how the chips shift slightly when solder melts. Here goes the first chip, I believe. And now watch the third one and the second. And now the last one. Here it is, back together. No one would even notice that it has been apart. Let's plug it in and test. There you go. How cool is that? Thanks for watching. Bye.